With this 10-player class pack, any teacher can lead their group or class to performance level in just 10 lessons. Includes 10 different types of percussion and 2 step-by-step teaching guides, all backed up by extensive online audio and video support. For all age groups, KS1 upwards.
These are the large instruments that come with a Drums for Schools World Percussion class pack. There are a pair of bongos, a metallophone in the key of C for playing melodies, a tambourine for playing a combination of long and short notes, a thumb piano or mbara, and a set of go-go bells. These are the smaller instruments in a Drums for Schools World Percussion pack. There's a guiro, a bento shaker, a framed suspended triangle, a pair of claves or clapsticks, and a pair of maracas.
The teaching guides are for class teachers as well as music specialists. They take teacher and class from basics to performance level and also show you how to add a professional percussion accompaniment to any song or instrumental piece. The World Percussion 10-player class pack. The instruments and comprehensive teaching support you need to make a success of ensemble playing in any class or group setting and with any age group. No prior music experience needed.